Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the indicator on GoCharting in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on GoCharting.com. Afterwards, log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. So as you can see, I've opened the chart of XAUUSD. So after opening the chart, you just have to first of all click on these three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. Among the given options, you just have to make sure that the indicators option is ticked. Now, when it is ticked, you are going to see this type of study section over here. So you just have to click on this drop down menu, and here you are going to see all of the indicators that you can basically add on your chart. So over here, you can search for any of the indicators, like I've searched for volume. So after clicking on the indicator that you want to put, it is going to be available here on top of your chart, and now you can just simply start analyzing your chart with the help of it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.